Here we are, East Coast Wildlife. We just left our baby sandhill, and here we are with Yulisa. Hi, Yulisa.
Hi.
Say hi to everybody. Oh, she brought us a baby mockingbird. And how can we tell it's a baby mockingbird? Do you know how to tell?
You ask me?
Yeah.
Well, it's still growing feathers.
Right,
And it still asks for food.
Right. And another really quick thing we can do with a mockingbird is we can take out the wing here. Ooh, hi, little one. And you see the little white window. See the white window on his, right here, the white window on his wing? That means it's a mockingbird. Is this a baby mockingbird? Well, here we are. We got to rush them in and feed them. Say goodbye to everybody, Yulisa.
Bye.
Okay, here we go. Stay tuned and see what we get next at East Coast Wildlife.